Guys, right now we are located in Djurgården Island. If my pronunciation is wrong, I'm so sorry, guys. It's island with a lot of different museums. And the first one where we came, it's Skansen. Skansen is the oldest open-air museum in the world. This museum will help you understand Swedish culture much better, because this museum will show you how people used to live in different parts of Sweden before the industrial era. Two tickets cost us 320 Swedish crowns, and one ticket costs 160. And we have a map as well. Like this, yeah. Skansen, it's not only a museum. In addition, it's a zoo. Look, here you can see a lot of different animals. Nordic animals, or like, look, some monkeys. That's so nice. For 160 crowns you get this. It's amazing, it's fantastic. So I think it's the best investment for your money. Here, so beautiful and so quiet. I have a feeling that right now I'm in fairy tale. Look, that's amazing. And you should definitely visit Skansen. I'm in love right now with everything. It's super quiet. I don't know how it looks in summer. I think that in summer here many people and it's, but right now it's super beautiful and so quiet. We're gonna have their lunch and dinner or something like this. Guys, we made it. We are in IKEA right now. We will have this amazing lunch and I think it will be already like our dinner. I have these vegetarian bowls with lentils, some veggies. Eugene, he has meatballs, Swedish meatballs with mashed potatoes, jam. Then we will have something sweet. I don't know how to explain it, but it's super cheap. So if you are on a budget, I really recommend you to come to IKEA and have lunch here. Everything cost us only 167 Swedish crowns. So it's the cheapest meal that we had here in Sweden so far.
A few moments later.
That was so delicious. I think it's the best meal that I had here in Stockholm. Cheap, tasty. What else do you need?
This is a little bit sour. It's still good.
Yeah.